National Weather Service in Des Moines, Northwestern Avenues County in south central Iowa, Lucas County in south central Iowa, Southern Marion County in south central Iowa, Western Monroe County in south central Iowa, Northeastern Wayne County in south central Iowa, until 7:30 a.m.
I'm just gonna end it there. What is going on here? Explain this. Yes, you're hearing KTV in the background. I'll turn this off. The microphone off.
The National Weather Service in Des Moines, Northwest.
Explain that jump cut. A little weird one, but this would definitely make it up for the flash flood warnings that we were going to have if I stayed longer on my live stream, which I deleted, unfortunately. Anyways, that's it.